are discussing about operations on sites. Here, first one, union of sites. Union of sites means A and B are the any two sites. Then union of A and B is the another set, which consists of all the elements of the set A as well as all the elements of the set B, in which we are taking common elements as only once. For example, elements of the set A are 2, 3, 5, and elements of the set B are 3, 7, 9. Yes? So now we want to find union of these two sets. Means we want to find A union B. A union B, find out what they call the union symbol. Read as A union B. So according to the definition, A union B. A union B means all the elements of the set A and all the elements of the set B. Yes, all the elements of the set B means 3, 7, 9. What is the condition here? The common elements being taken only once. Yes, set A elements ಮತ್ತು set B ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಬರ್ದಿವಿ. Yes, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ? 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ only one time ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So that is our required set A union B. Is it clear? So according to the definition, combining the elements of A and B means 2, 3, 5. You write all the elements of the set A as well as all the elements of the set B. Yes, in which common elements being taken only once. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು one time ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So that is our required A union B. Is it clear? Or if you take another example, elements of the set A are -1, 3, 0, and elements of the set B are 0, 7. Yes, we want to find A union B. Union means write all the elements of the set A as well as write all the elements of the set B. So ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. A ದು ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Write all the elements of set A. Yes, -1, 3, 0 are all the elements of set A, and all the elements of set B means 0, 7 are all the elements of set B. The common elements being taken only once. ಇಲ್ಲಿ common ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದೆ? 0 common ಇದೆ. Therefore that time you take only once. Means so that is our required set A union B. So that is the definition of union of sites. Or if you see the another example, A equal to 3, 7, 9, B equal to 3, 9, 10. So these are the elements of the set A and B. Now we want to find A union B. Then according to the definition, A union B is the all the elements of set A, all the elements of the set B. Yes, you wrote all the elements of the set A and all the elements of the set B. After that, the common elements being taken only once. What are the common elements here? 3 is common and 9 is common. Yes. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Therefore ನಾನು 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ as well as 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So remaining I have 10 here. Therefore you write here. So that is our required A union B. So ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That is A union B. I will take another example. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, 6. Find A union B. Yes, A union B equal to write all the elements of the set A as well as write all the elements of the set B. Yes, set A the elements ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, set B the elements ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ as usual ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore these are the elements of A union B. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರಿ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ A equal to 1, 2, 3 ಅದ, B equal to 2, 3, 4 ಅಂತ equal. Yes. So ಇವಾಗ A union B ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ, all the elements of set A as well as all the elements of the set B ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಸಲ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಎಸ್, I will take only one time 2, ಇದು 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. As well as 3 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So only one time I will take 3, therefore 3 cancel ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore elements of the A union B are 1, 3 to 4. Yes, this is method of finding the A union B. Next, try yourself. If A equal to 2, 10, B equal to 10, 11, 17. Find A union B. And second example, if A equal to -2, 3, 5, B equal to 7, 9, 10. Find A union B. Find A union B. A union B means combining the elements of A and B. Set A ದಾಗಿನ elements, set B ದಾಗಿನ elements combined ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಡಬಲ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು A union B ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So we will try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Find A union B. The next one, intersection of sets. So intersection of the two sets A and B means write only common elements belonging to both A and B. A ಮತ್ತು B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A intersection B. Right? For example, if A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 2, 3, 4, find A intersection B. A intersection B means write the common elements in both A and B. A ಮತ್ತು B ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅವ ಅವನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is called intersection. 2 is common in both these sides. Therefore, I will take 2 here. That is our required intersection of the sides. Is it clear? Intersection means write the common elements in both A and B. A ಮತ್ತು B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ intersection of the sides. Or if you take another example, if A equal to 279, B equal to 2911, find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. Is it clear? A intersection B, find out now. Yes? So intersection means taking the common elements of A and B. 2 common on the other side, 2 select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 9 common on the other side, 9 select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That is A intersection B. Intersection means taking the common elements from both the given sides. Yes, A ಮತ್ತು B ದೊಳಗ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದಾವ ಅವನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ intersection of the sides. Or if you take another example, if A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 4 5 6, find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. So what is the intersection? Intersection means taking the common elements from the given sides. Yes? So what are the common elements among these two sides? ಇವೆರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅವರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಅದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 5 6. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that time you write like this, empty set. Otherwise you write like this. That is also right. But you don't write like this. It is wrong. Yes? A intersection B means set A must set B the common elements illa. Common elements illa antandre, therefore this is empty set or this is also empty set. So write in these two ways, that is the right. So next try yourself. If A equal to 1 7, B equal to 1 9 10, find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. And take another one. If A equal to 9, B equal to 10 11, find A intersection B. Intersection means taking the common elements from the given sides. If there is no elements common, means you write the empty side, that is intersection. That is said to be intersection of the two sides.